Welcome to the Micromark Workshop. Today you see before me brass bar clamps, which Micromark has been selling since the mid-80s. They're a mainstay to any modeler. They come in handy in just about every hobby. Before you is some dollhouse furniture that scientific models used to carry many years ago, from the 70s until it was discontinued in the 90s. And these brass bar clamps were used in the production of these miniatures that were made as the prototypes for the dollhouse kits. We have a 12-inch long version that has a 10.5-inch capacity. We have a 7-inch brass bar clamp with a 6-inch capacity. We also offer a 4 3/4 inch with a 3 3/4 inch capacity, and a little micro bar clamp, 3 3/4 inch in length with a 3-inch capacity. How they work, it's pretty simple. It has one movable jaw on each of the brass bar clamps and a fixed jaw that can be moved with the use of the screw at the top of the clamp. This is where you do all your tightening at the top, whether it be the one with the little knurled knobs or the ones with the bigger So the clamps all have two jaws, a lower jaw and an upper jaw, and the tightening screw in order to set it in place is done by the one at the top, which moves the top jaw down and thus holds the pieces together. I'll show you how that works now. If you wanted to attach this cabriole leg to this little stand, it was glued in position at the time, and it was glued with white glue, Elmer's type glue that takes a while to set. So that was a problem, but with the use of these clamps, that problem has been eliminated. Okay, so how they're used is you can take, in order to attach that cabriole leg with white glue, you need to set the bottom one at the position you want it, come in below the cabriole leg, insert the dresser, start screwing the top one down until it's tight and snug like you want, and that would hold the cabriole leg in place until the glue dried. For you is a little shelf unit for dollhouse furniture, and the need to hold the sides with the shelves is important as while the glue dries, and the brass bar clamps were perfect for that. You'd glue it all up, it'd be sort of tacky and sitting there for you, and then you'd tighten the clamp down and it would hold the sides and the shelves in place while the glue dried. Lastly, the different sizes we have. I showed you some uses for the miniatures and the small ones. The bigger clamps you get up to, bigger projects. O scale structure, HO scale structures, any time you need to hold 3 pieces of a side together, 4 pieces of a side together, these brass bar clamps are a great addition to your tool chest.